there is no leader who had an opportunity to set a historical history like William Ruto. William Ruto na kingo always ngo compare Ruto na Arati ba rueto butaka. Tima etingi kia baliete kera ba ruo butaka baanza kusasima kibesa. Kende nkeyo William agokora na atebe chitanginchira akoreta abasani bae na abana bae na uba go supply ba kanu chinyombe ya affordable housing binango kwana naye baba bono iga igoro mwaro chiruta gotebe kera iguna akwandire kuria athethenga Kenyans for the last year what they have raised 1.2 trillion shillings for the construction of the houses. After I said right now the affordable housing chibuate a pending bill ya 1.2 billion. Why? Because chibese chiriye William akwanete nerebu yakana. Chi supply chiaye, chi contractor chiaye, bago supply chichuma liya yanga vijana mta supply nini milango. Alidha kende keyo esimiti yonsi nere chichuma nere amache nere yani kigin.
Right.
And to me he lost an opportunity. For example, nobody said it wagacha chinyomba tokubuli abantu mutaketi twagacha chinyomba na ingari ngaimoroji toko jibeka tokubuli abantu nyomba kabira kimutaketi ayo collect chibesi abantu chitaito dili chamalima ya nchiyo ngokwenda kwabeka chinyomba bona wana kurusia prison ya bosongo ga yabwata banyene benya mumbere historical cultural bamanya kobeka chinyomba ngoba tebeti abantu bali barali prison mataketi chinyomba.
Right.
Kozonye tuatageti chinyomba tali gotobori tomotebi. Was there anything wrong ale gocha onye niga iga kwerende bosonga agoro bole mwende chibesi che serikali bole mubuna babatene kasi agachi chinyomba chingi yabune cya kwa gachi block no nibere isato abeke kanasari school akanyagitari kararia abantaba banyora afweni ebintu togo kwana na byebyo yani weke president tu aramale mukenye ngima.
Right.
Chieka go sene chimilioni bere bono nkyo gokorero bole muchieka onyaga obole mubonege keye mundu chiburoba nene tagitim suneiga chikorigeri chikura nsera abantu tingo su nabongo sunaga onyaga kauna kale yani ndo chekaraka nene. Imagine what 200,000 acres is. Why? Right. Those are the things. Ekarali rimu aroche before mwana mindoke bagendi atara piki yake pushi ketwari limelight. I said SHA is a scam. Now it is a scam. Na kwane the guy. I said it's a scam. E-citizen is a scam. Ba change ririchi kolia malemo. Now they can come and take over mobile, and in fact you don't even have to be compensated.
Right.
By mokire aba bakwa gachererwe toko batebya ga kinkoros mulene nererwe yichibese chintoko bakani kera no mochi koros ya corruption kickbacks inki mutale kobera rendo nyumura abantu gakina tubabera mubeke junction ya Nyamira mutirimbuke rerwe go mata iga abakuria na barawo bachikurera mate nemisigo yabo musuko n'abatanzani bo bwate go mate bayetiga iga batirimboka amalema ya eserero chigoyeta na robono bagwaka na compensation 49 billion baenda bagura amalema yo ande beone bono